Bob Carr here for another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, I got Reggie from PETiTBON Alarm. Reggie, welcome, sir.
Thank you for having me, man. I'm loving it. I'm loving the setup, loving the vibes in here. It's going great.
So, Reggie, I understand you playing running back at Illinois. So now you're running sales for PETiTBON. So what's the correlation between the two?
Get the ball, go score.
There you go.
Wins.
There you go.
Putting points on the board is the only way you win. And Mr. PETiTBON believes in that. Richie believes in that. I always tell a joke saying that Richie blocked for me for, about 8 years. Now I get to block for him. So it's an honor and a privilege to be a part of that team, and I'm definitely excited for the future.
Good deal. Good deal. So how's sales going 2024? How you guys doing?
It's going great, man. I think we just have to, stick to the process that Mr. P, or Mr. PETiTBON, basically the father of it all, that he laid before us. And then little Richie came in, and I feel like he improved it and made it a little bit better. And we just keep going, man. As long as you follow that process, stick with the team. It's like being, it's like playing at Alabama, I guess. So.
Yep. Every day you got to be grinding it out. Mm-hmm. I've been doing it a lot of years also, and it's a lot of us repeat and rinse, take care of the client.
Yep.
Take care of the client takes care of you.
100%. 100%. Yeah, we take care of ourselves too. If our employees are happy, if everybody at PETiTBON is happy, then the team, the employee, the people that we service every day will be happy. So we take care of each other, polite to each other, be the same person every day, be everyday people. Everything else will work itself out.
So how did you meet Richie?
8th grade, man.
8th grade?
Yeah, 8th grade.
You grew up in the D.C. metropolitan area?
Yeah, I grew up in PG County, so I'm from Fort Washington.
Oh, okay.
Grew up in Upper Marlboro a little bit.
Italian, yep. I know that area well.
Yeah, we were both going to Gonzaga. I was going there for basketball. Richie was going there for football. And my dad, gave me the choice of it's either get out or play football. So I said, okay.
That's what your dad said?
I guess I'm playing football. Well, he knew it was best for me. He was making a great parenting decision.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I obviously didn't know what was best for me.
At that age, it's hard, right?
Yeah, I thought I was going to the NBA like every other kid.
Have you ever rode with Mr. PETiTBON?
Yeah, I mean, driving in the car, especially in his truck with him in the passenger seat, it is definitely an experience. It's like being in the hot seat, man. It's great. You'll sit there.
I'll interrupt you. Has he ever stopped and walked up to the door, went to PETiTBON, and sold them on the spot?
Yeah, he shows me all the time. He tries to show off. I love it, though.
I've seen that numerous times done. He's always with a smile.
Yeah, he's the greatest to ever do it. He's an everyday guy. He's the same person every day, and that's one thing I can respect. People with a lot of personality like that are great, especially when you can expect them to be that every single day.
Oh, lots you can learn.
Yeah, man. Even when things are going hard and it's tough times, he's still smiling, still being positive, still uplifting everyone.
Pick it up and go.
He's a great leader, man.
Why is PETiTBON better than all the other metropolitan alarm companies in this area?
Honestly, there's a lot of different things that I want to say that we take personally. We believe in service. As you get to know PETiTBON Alarm more and more, we believe in putting the ball in our client's court, which is, gives you more comfort to know that we're going to service you the way we say we are. We believe in family. It's super family oriented, which is why it's not, 10,000 employees. We know all of our customers. We try to get to know all of them. We don't just go in there and just do a job and leave. We want to get to know them, want to get to know their issues, how we can make things better. And we believe in family. We have team meetings just like, football teams. We go through things together. We hang out together. And just like that, man, being a part of our culture like that makes it feels like I'm still playing football, honestly. And if if you play a team sport, the best thing you could do is have a family outside of family. And that's what PETiTBON Alarm is.
Gotcha. So you taking care of one customer at a time. It's like 100%, a family member.
100%. As soon as someone approves and we install it, we always say, welcome to the PETiTBON Alarm family. And we truly mean that. You get gear, you get stickers, just like if you called your cousin and something went wrong, they pick up the phone, they're on it, they're coming to help you, and that's what we do. So
big peace of mind, folks.
100%. Once you're part of the family, you're part of the family for forever, and we'll never leave you hanging. So
we're going to end it on that because that's a fantastic note and something that all of us should be believing in, small business and on the consumer end. We all want to be protected and taken care of.
100%.
And respected. It's pretty simple, isn't it?
100%, man. Just a family.
Appreciate you, Reg, coming into the studio today.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show, and we'll see you guys next week with another episode.